One reason I'm filming this morning is just to show the sun and moon out at the same time. What's up? A lot of people ain't gonna notice it, but pointing out the moon. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's about 8 a.m. in the morning. Then I'm gonna pan around here, go this way, and boom, we got the sun's coming up. See a light haze right there happening. It's a real light haze. And you can see shooting right across. You'll see right there the moon, and then you look right there, there's a real light haze. And then starting to shoot, but today's pretty much a clear day. Except for what they're putting in the sky. But this is nothing new to me. This whole moon and sun out at the same time is nothing new to me. I'm just documenting this. I'm just documenting this just to give a little bit of proof out there. NASA's been lying to us. A lot of us know that. But I don't even ask NASA to explain anything anymore. Try to say, hey, just explain to us, because they're not going to. But anyways, like I said, this is just a short little video to prove about 8:30 in the morning in Midland, Michigan. Just showing out. To me, it's awesome. But just showing you the moon, sun out at the same time. Obviously, the moon is its own light source, and it's not round as far as a sphere shape. It's pretty much just a luminary orb, and you can see through it. You can see the daylight through the blue sky through the moon anyways. I mean, it does its own thing, just like the sun has its own job. But anyways, one more look at it. Just around here, you get the sun. Anyways, I think it's pretty awesome to know the truth, know we're on a flat earth, and sun and moon rotate around us with the stars. Have their own job, and they move in closer to each other, they move farther away from each other, they go up, they go down, but they're going around us. We're not shooting around them out in space. Besides, if the sun is so humongously big and so far away, and it's out in outer space, why is outer space so dark all the time? Wouldn't the sun still give it light out in outer space, whether it was for a certain distance or not? But I mean, if you put the sun in a 1 cubic foot box, it's going to light the box up. If you put the sun in a covered dome, it's going to light the covered dome up. If you shoot the sun out in space, it's going to still light out wherever it's going. Why do they, every time they show us pictures of space, they say it's so dark, but the sun is out in space? When it kind of gives some light out there, what, it just like shoots darkness until it gets to a certain point, and then it beams out sun rays to the earth? I mean, you would think if they had pictures of space and the sun out in space, it would be bright out there for a certain distance in a certain area, wherever it's at. But anyways, just something to think about. I mentioned it to my neighbor because he knows about all the truth stuff. But I just mentioned it to him when they were talking about it, and just like he was like, "Wow, that's a really good way to look at it, man." I mean, the sun has to light somewhere up if it's out in space. But anyways, something to think about. Peace to the good people, and F the Luciferian world system. Bye.